Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by cutting power and eliminating simple causes. Remove the batteries or detach the battery pack to force a full reset, because residual charge can lock the radio. Once done, power cycle the console by holding the Xbox button for 10 seconds, wait 10 seconds, then restart. This clears temporary Bluetooth or wireless stack issues. Make sure the controller has fresh batteries or a charged pack at about 50% or more, so radio strength is optimal before attempting reconnection. Now you repair the device. Turn the controller on, then press and hold its pair button for 3 to 5 seconds so it enters pairing mode. The LEDs will start flashing. Immediately, press the console pair button or open Bluetooth settings on your PC and select the controller within 20 seconds. This timing prevents the controller from timing out. Keep the controller close, 3 to 6 feet, to ensure a clean initial RF handshake and confirm the LED becomes solid, indicating a successful connection. Finish by updating firmware. Go to Settings, Devices and Connections, then update the controller and console so known bugs are resolved. If pairing fails, plug the controller in with a USB cable to test hardware and register it directly. Wired success confirms radio issues only. If problems continue, reset the console network stack and check for 4 GHz interference from routers or microwaves. Move those devices or switch to 5 GHz. If all else fails, try a different controller to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.